Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make enchiladas mexicanas. We'll embark on a culinary journey to create this beloved dish, starting with understanding its core components. You'll learn to prepare a savory filling, craft an authentic red chili sauce, and perfectly assemble each enchilada. By the end, you'll have the confidence to bring this traditional Mexican comfort food to your own table, delighting everyone with its rich flavors and satisfying warmth. Next, let's focus on the heart of your enchiladas, the filling. You can choose a classic like 2 pounds of shredded chicken or a savory ground beef. Cook your protein thoroughly, then season it generously with traditional Mexican spices such as 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a dash of salt and pepper. Ensure your filling is moist and bursting with flavor, as this forms the delicious core of your enchiladas. Now for the soul of the dish, the enchilada sauce. We'll make a vibrant red sauce using about 6 dried guajillo chilies. Begin by rehydrating these chilies in hot water for approximately 20 minutes until they are soft. Then, blend them with a 1/4 cup of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of Mexican oregano. Strain the mixture for a silky smooth sauce that will coat your enchiladas beautifully, providing that essential, deep flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together. First, lightly warm about 12 corn tortillas to make them pliable. Dip each tortilla in your sauce, then add about 2 tablespoons of filling and roll it up. Arrange your rolled enchiladas snugly in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Generously pour the remaining sauce over them, ensuring every inch is covered. Bake your enchiladas at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, until they are bubbly and heated through. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.